came across many people who talked to me about his sincerity, his truthfulness, honesty. So, sir, today, I am extremely thankful to the three honorable judges. They have painstakingly performed the duty of the judges, retired as principal, and a very outstanding and long career, who has been a part and parcel of this college and is just superannuated. He was into physics and chemistry. I also take opportunity to welcome Professor V.C. Bhandari, who is also a part and parcel of this college. And I also welcome all the teachers who have come from the 5 schools and also the teachers of the SSC classes and my colleagues in the degree classes.
Dr. Gajju ji, Principal Sir, judges of the event, guests from other schools, my colleagues and their students. On behalf of our college, I am here to welcome you all. It is our proud privilege to have Dr. Gajju ji as our chief guest, whose elaborate introduction has been given by Dr. Awasthi. His presence itself is a great occasion for our college. I was wondering and counting degrees and achievements of Dr. Gajju ji. Of course, it is very motivating. Pleased, elated and blessed to welcome you, sir. I also take the opportunity to welcome Dr. Sudhir Mahajan, Professor V.C. Bhandari ji and Professor
Sent from the Savior above, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now a refreshing, come and now honor thy word. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops, showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, oh that today they might fall. Now as on God we are confessing, now as on God for we call. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. अभी क्यों तुम बॉयज हो और हम बेचारी लड़कियां।
Stop overreacting, girls.
Exactly.
We live in a progressive nation और basically हम काफी independent हो चुके हैं. I have to go for my tuition. So leave mommy.
पर अभी तुम जाओगी
इस
कैसे?
टाइम तुम्हें कोई बस भी नहीं मिलेगी, ना ही कोई रिक्शा. तुम जाओगी कैसे? आजकल काफी ज्यादा प्राइवेट बसेस होती हैं और वैसे आज जो बस आ रही है वहाँ की कंडक्टर तुम्हें काफी अच्छे से जानती है और वहाँ के रेट काफी ठीक होते हैं.
अरे ये अंकल्स नहीं शैतान होते हैं, इन पे विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए। ये है दिल्ली 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 दिल्ली, ये है दिल्ली 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 दिल्ली।
Yes.
Yes, doctor.
What check किया?
Yes, doctor.
Patient check किया?
Yes, doctor.
Will you marry me?
Yes.
डरता है दिल।
हाय हाय एंगेजमेंट डॉक्टर को तो अंकल जी वार्ड बॉय में क्या कमी थी?
Shut up! आओ!
अगर तुम मेरी नहीं हो सकती तो किसी और की भी नहीं होगी।
तेरा मेरा किसी का न जोर है, तुम सोच
Hi girls.
हेलो अंकल,
क्या कर रही हो?
पढ़ रहे हैं।
क्या पढ़ रही हो?
Maths.
मैं भी इंजीनियर हूँ, मैं ही पढ़ा देता हूँ।
मेट्रो में छेड़ रहा है, गुंडा बवाली कहीं का, इसको बुलाओ।
डालो।
देखिए ना आजकल जमाने कहाँ क्या हुआ गर्ल्स, मैं हवलदार प्यारे लाल। देखिए ना सर, आजकल जमाना कितना खराब है, आजकल तो किसी पे भी विश्वास नहीं किया जा सकता।
देखिए ना सर,
जरा रबड़ लिखा दे, जरा आइए ना।
आओ ना रबड़ लिखा दे, आओ ना रबड़ लिखा दे, आओ ना रबड़ लिखा दे, आओ ना।
मैं भी हूँ एक औरत. तिल तिल कर आग में झुलसती एक औरत.
पल पल मरती एक औरत, तुम्हारे अत्याचारों को सहती एक औरत,
पल पल हारती एक औरत.
मैं तुम्हारे लिए कभी प्यार तो कभी वासना।
Thank you. way back in 84, 85 when we shifted from Punjab to Himachal, and this was the institution which was much talked about, and my relatives told ki better that you take admission DAV Kangra. This used to be one of the most, I think, the premier institute in those days. Even now it is. Just I am recollecting those moments, and I wish that this institution grows more rich in its traditions, in education, literacy, in each and every field. In these exhibitions, and these are very important for your life, for the development, the mental development on our lives. We never, contemplate or think how this light is coming here. One of my teachers used to teach us science in a very interesting way. He used to say, "Do you know that you are eating bacteria?" So everybody used to the class would, go for a silence. Then he used to tell कि इसमें lactobacilli हैं.
Silent methodology, demonstration and innovation. The first prize goes to Save Power, Empower Nation, Greenfield Public School. Saurabh Kondal. Second prize, Anshul. Third prize goes to Biogas Project, Scholars International School. Megha. Then there is Ankit. Second prize goes Third prize goes to circulatory Damini. Third, Arnav. Megha, Scholars International. Shakshi, hurry up. Mohit, Scholars International School. Harsh, Scholars International School. Diksha, Scholars International School.